Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by parking on a level surface and setting the parking brake. Wear gloves and eye protection. Remove the shifter boot and unscrew 4 T40 Torx bolts. Pry up the coin tray and remove any rubber mats to expose hidden fasteners. Disconnect the 12V socket and any USB or auxiliary plugs. Clear debris and set screws in a tray to avoid losing them. Keep a flashlight and magnetic pickup handy for fallen hardware. Note bolt locations for reassembly. Work methodically on one side. Press in tabs along the console edges while lifting to release plastic clips. Remove any remaining screws at the rear cup holder area. Lift the console straight up and pull rearward to clear tabs and clips, watching for hidden wiring. Unplug the parking brake sensor and any wiring before fully removing the console. If clips resist, recheck for missed fasteners or use a plastic trim tool. Do not force metal tools into plastic to avoid cracking. When reinstalling, reconnect all wiring and test the 12V socket and USB ports before securing bolts. Reseat the console by aligning tabs and press the console down until every clip audibly snaps into place. Replace screws and torque T40 bolts snugly by hand, then tighten evenly. Avoid over-torquing plastic threads. Reinstall the shifter boot and any trim pieces, confirm the parking brake sensor is connected, and check shifter range and cup holder function. Do a final inspection for loose fasteners and take a short test drive to verify everything stays secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.